Good morning to all. I welcome you all to this didactic program, Thirukkuralodu Naam, attending in fact with a noble desire to reach the seat of grace in life by practicing the ethical values of Thiruvalluvvar.
Couplet number 840. Chapter Folly. Dharma conducted Rajasuya Yajna in Indraprastha, and he invited kings, priests, and sages to take part. Scholars from several countries gathered at Indraprastha to watch the Yajna. Dharma took more care, received the guests well, accommodated and fed them in a very well manner. In the Yajna, Vyasa, Parasurama, Bhishma, and Drona participated. Dharma asked whom he should pay the first respect in the Yajna. Vyasa and other scholars told him that only Kanna was qualified to receive the respect. On hearing this reply, Dharma felt very happy, but Sisubala, who was Sir, protested against the decision and prevented Kanna being given the first respect. Those gathered there felt very sad about the protest made by Sisubala. Though the entire gathering agreed to give Kanna the first respect and the Yajna was successfully conducted, the protest by Sisubala at the final hour made their heart and soul bitter. At the same time, Sisubala abused Kanna in front of so many people, and the people present there regretted very much. For the incident, his speech was compared to a fool being spoken. Due to the outbursts of Sisubala, a war took place, and that became responsible for the elimination of Sisubala. If a fool enters the assembly where Vedic scholars, men of wisdom, and aged people with wisdom are present, it looks like a person who comes back to the house entering the bedroom without washing his legs. Our Saint Tamil poet Thiruvalluvvar explains about this in Thirukkural as follows. KaraKkal Palliyul Vaittatral Sandror Kula Attu Pedai Pugal. I recite. KaraKkal Palliyul Vaittatral Sandror Kula Attu Pedai Pugal. Entry of the fool. Entry paves way to danger. Entry of the wise man leads to prosperity. Thank you very much. Indeed, Nandri, Vanakkam.